Hey guys, it's me back again, coming to you with another tutorial. This tutorial is going to be short and simple, but still pretty cool. So this is what I'm going to teach you how to do. So you have your little guy here, sorry about that, and he moves left to right, like a boss. Not really, but, and then what also he does is his health goes up and down. And if you look closely, this is not a health bar made inside of Game Maker. So let me restart this. Alright, and his health goes down and it goes back up. So basically this is a homemade health bar. And if we go back up here, I will show you how it's done. It is quite simple. So this is the guy. It's not exactly all that difficult. Just setting his health to something, HP. So you don't want to use the health underneath score. You don't want to use that. You want to create your own variable from one of these boxes. So this is the HP bar. So basically it says on step it's going to move or jump to the position of the player, so it's going to stay over his head. And now this is where it gets interesting. So this says if the global.health, which is your player's health, you want to name it global.health, or because it has to be a global event in order for this object to be able to pick up on it. It's going to draw that very first one, and then if health is equal to, it's going to draw the first one there, and the second one moved over. See, the first one is going to be 0, 0, and the second one is going to be 8x, because x is, remember, x is that axis, that way. So it's moving over plus that way, minus would be this way, plus would be that way, plus y would be this way, minus would be that way. Alright, just so that you make sure you know that. So this one is 0, 8, and then this one is 16. See how I'm going? It's going by 8s, because if you look at the sprite is 8 pixels by 8 pixels. Here, let me just zoom it up for you. Sprite is 8 pixels this way by 8 pixels that way. So this is the advantage in making a homemade health bar. It looks however you want it to look. Whereas one in Game Maker they look okay, but you can't like change the way it looks. So this one you can make it, green at first, red, yellow, blue, all the way to like black at the end if you wanted. Whereas in Game Maker you have choices, but they're very limited. And if you don't want to spend a lot of time, they're very helpful for just brief and easy stuff. So I only set my health to 5. When you want to do it, you probably want to do at least 10 or up to 100 different little things. So if you're doing 100 a health HP, you probably don't want to make your thing 8 by 8. You probably want to make it 1 by 8 so that it can move over more spaces. So that'll work. So just doing this, and you want to repeat it and move it over the x-axis however many pixels your sprite is. So if your sprite is 8 pixels, move it 8, or if it's 1 pixel, move it 1, then add 1, then add 1, then add 1, and then add 1, and just, if it's 5, it draws 5 sprites, and they're going from 0 to 20 to 32, and then I also added draw the rectangle in the background, so that, and it doesn't have any fill in it, and the rectangle is just 8 high by 40 long, because 8 times 5 is 40, so it's the right size. Okay, cool. How that works out. Alright, so let's just show you this again. Lost health, you lost health, you lost health, lost health, lost health, gaining health, gaining health, gaining health, lost, gaining, gaining. And then if you hit one more, it doesn't have a variable for that, so it just does nothing. It's told to draw nothing. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this tutorial. I'm JSL534, and I'll hopefully be seeing you guys next time. Alright, bye.